Hi, I'm Marion Rutt, listing agent for 917 High Street in Akron Borough. Welcome to this lovely all-brick ranch home with solar energy and geothermal heat, a great savings for a lucky buyer. The foyer with hardwood floors opens to the spacious living room with brick fireplace and bay window, and a dining area is included. The large galley kitchen has ample cabinets and counters, plus recessed lighting. The inviting dining area includes a walk-in pantry and has a window overlooking the backyard. Enjoy cool summer evenings on the beautiful stamped concrete covered patio when entertaining family and friends. The hallway off the foyer leads to the master bedroom with private bath and walk-in closet, and 2 additional bedrooms. The improved daylight lower level offers a spacious family room with brick hearth and fireplace insert, a bonus room, a half bath and laundry room, plus a large unfinished room and utility room. You will love the backyard with mature shade trees offering some privacy. This one-floor living includes an attached 2-car garage. This home is on a beautiful tree-lined street. Thank you for viewing 917 High Street, and call the Marion Rutt team for your private showing at 717-859-7019.